Hey everyone, welcome to the Cha-Cha series, where we connect human aesthetics to creative health and awareness. My name is Briana Marshall, and today we're going to be talking about any and all things related to warming up your body before a dance class. So go ahead, get a piece of paper, get a pen, so then you can write down and then keep all of these important tips and tricks so then you can bring them into any space where you practice dance. All right, let's get into it. Let's start from the top. What is warming up and why is it even so important? Well, warming up is a series of activities that gradually increase your heart rate and blood flow to your muscles. It essentially just ensures that your muscles will work properly before you take class. And you'll really want your muscles to work properly because you'll need them for strength, endurance, balance, and flexibility. All four of those elements are important when you take any dance class, have a rehearsal, or even go to an audition. Warming up your body only expands the longevity of your dance practice, so make sure you're doing it on a consistent basis. All right, so let's get into some different exercises you can do. First, start by gently raising your pulse. Start with small movements like prancing in place or small sautés, and then just gradually increase the range of motion and pace. An example of that could be bringing your prances to high knees and your sautés to jumping jacks. Do this for about 1 to 5 minutes until your breath gets faster and your heart rate increases. Once you've increased your heart rate and eased your joints, it's time to do some dynamic stretching. That's going to lengthen out your muscles. Brief stretches that are held for 15 seconds or less are typically considered dynamic stretches. Some good examples would be a hamstring stretch, a good quad stretch, stretching out your arms, and even the sides of your neck. Remember, when you're doing any kind of stretching, you really want to make sure that you're breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth so that your lungs and everything else is getting all of that great oxygen. And the very last thing you want to do is build your strength and balance. End your warm-up with a strengthening exercise and balance training. Do something like bicycle crunch. Make sure you're doing at least 10 to 15 repetitions and you're really twisting from side to side, warming up that core and oblique muscles. Another great core exercise is holding a plank. Now, I typically hold my plank for about 1 minute, but you don't always have to do a plank that long. You can hold a plank for 10 seconds, 20, 30 seconds. It all depends on you and what your body needs for that day. But I definitely recommend planks for a great core warm-up. You also want to make sure that you're testing your balance from time to time. Aim for holding a balance in any position for about 30 to 60 seconds. And I also recommend holding this balance for about 1 to 2 times just to ensure that you are really focusing on all of the muscles that you are required to use when you are practicing this balance. Don't do anything that's going to put any extra stress or strain on any muscles, bones, joints, or ligaments. Remember, a warm-up should be something that you ease into. You don't want to go full out or your fullest extent, your fullest range of motion just yet. Wait until your class, rehearsal, or even your audition to do all of that. A warm-up is something that should be the foundation of any kind of dance practice. So always remember to take it as light as possible until you need to go faster. Okay, so now that you know all there is about warming up, go ahead and feel free to create your own. Continue to play around with a bunch of different exercises and how they're going to work for you and your body. Thank you so much for tuning into the very first episode of the Cha-Cha series. We have 9 other amazing episodes all tailored around dance wellness. Stay safe, stay positive, and stay moving. Bye.